Hello and welcome again to Falcon Technology. Another busy day yesterday in the workshop. We've had this lovely motorhome in and Roy and Sue came for the installation of a twin camera. So let's show you the installation. So the camera fitted on the back, we have two cameras in one housing. One camera which is used as a driving camera. This camera now is connected to a monitor which sits over the rear view mirror, which we can show you in a little while, but allows Roy or Sue, when driving the vehicle, to have visibility of the road in front and without moving the head, being able to check the visibility on the road behind, making the journey safer and less stressful. Now selecting reverse gear, we have the second camera. This camera now looking down acts as a rear view camera for reversing to protect any damage to the rear of the vehicle. Nice, neat and tidy. Simon's done a great job on this, working with Robert. And let's have a little look inside at the installation inside. So this is the rear view mirror monitor. The cables all tucked away in the headlining, brought down the A-post, and everything's hardwired, but now in a natural place of visibility, giving ease of use and clear visibility when driving down the road. So starting the vehicle's ignition then gives us a rear view camera. So in video 1 mode, it's looking at the driving camera. If we want to change, then we can change from video 1 to video 2. The nice thing about doing it this way, sometimes engineers connect it so it's auto switching in reverse mode. The problem with that is then you might be reversing 20 meters behind you and you'd still want to see what's going on as you're reversing to that 20 meters. So we can reverse like this, we can see what's behind us. Now we're getting closer to the wall, then we can switch to video 2 and now you can back up to that wall comfortable.
I understand, yeah.
So all completed. Roy's ready for the road. Roy's ready for the road. Thanks again, Roy, for the business. There's the camera there. Say hello.
Hiya, I'm very excited. And if you stay here, go for a walk by the canal and by the river. It's stunning.
Yeah, and the Leigh Arms, a tip. If you want to go for a meal, there's the Leigh Arms or the Riverside. Roy arrived at the Leigh Arms 10 minutes early, at 10 to 12. Opening time is 12 o'clock. So the beauty about arriving here, the van goes into the workshop, you can have a cup of coffee and watch a bit of TV until 10 o'clock. Advice is then go for the walk.
Then go for the walk.
Then go for the walk and arrive when the pub's open.
Yeah.
But it was worthwhile, wasn't it?
Yeah, if like me, you order a meal, remember if you don't eat very much to order half the size.
Yeah.
Because it was the biggest meal I've ever seen in my life.
And did you go for the sticky toffee pudding?
And I have to tell you, my wife nearly did, but she didn't because she ate her dinner, half my dinner, and she couldn't get the apple and blackberry pie down.
Oh dear.
But it was a gorgeous meal, the Leigh Arms, but from here to the Leigh Arms, an hour's walk, probably an hour.
Yeah.
Beautiful by the canal. And if you're really good, walk back by the river, see the Archimedes wheel, worth coming here to spend a few £100 just to do the walk.